These are these gearbox motors you get from China. They've got a 4mm shaft, but to put a bracket on it to mount it, see, they don't line up. Now these are 3mm metric threads in here, so we've got to make them line up. So to do that, I've already pre-prepared in here somewhere in here a little, there it is. So just grab a 3mm bolt and put a point on the end of it, and then you put that in there. So screw that in there. Then before we make this centre hole bigger to go on that lug, we just use it like that so it's nice and tight, and we do that. We score a little mark, and then we turn it around to the other side. Now that gives us the position, so we'll just put a little cross on there as well, so I know exactly where to drill, like that. Okay, now we also have to make it fit down properly by using this flange to go in the hole. So what we'll do is measure that. So 7mm. So we have to drill 7mm in the middle there, just a little bit over. So let's go over to the drill press. Follow me. Alright, just put that in there. Get a 3mm drill bit. Tighten it up. A little bit closer. Okay, now that looks about it there. One side, get the other one lined up. Looks right. Okay, now put the 7mm hole in the centre. Make sure you only put that 7mm in the centre after you've scored it, otherwise it'll be too sloppy. 6.57, 7mm. Where's the key go that I just had? There it is. Okay. They find their own centre as you push it. Now we just got to do one other thing. On the other side, see, it's a bit rough, so we'll just countersink them. So turn it over, put it in that way. Now the 7mm bit will do to countersink the little 3mm holes. So just a little bit. Countersink it. Now we have to countersink the 7mm hole, so I'll just grab a 10mm should be okay. 7mm back. Grab a 10mm. Just clean that up a bit. Now there's one thing I forgot to do, because I've done this before. That 7mm hole because it's a 7mm boss on the motor, the 7mm is just a little bit small. So I'll show you a trick just to, you can file it if you like, or you can live dangerously and do what I'm about to do. Okay, I just put that in there, I hold on to it, and I just sort of rock it around a bit, you know. That'll make it fit nice and loose. There we go. Now, back over to our workbench. See how it fits and lines up. Oh, look at that, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Now, need some M3 bolts, so don't get them too long or they'll go into the motor and foul the works. About 5 or 6mm, so it's M3 by 12, M3 by 10, M3 by 5, by 8, no 5 will do. Alright, M3 by 5, get 2 of those out. They're little countersunk type ends on them. Where'd I put my Phillips head? There it is. I'll just sit that there and put it through there. Whoop. Bit fiddly. Now don't do it up tight yet though, because see our holes aren't quite lined up there. But I think we can force that in. Sometimes if you swap it around the other side it might make a difference. Swap that around that side. Let's see how this one goes in there. A little bit not quite lined up. It's fairly close though. If you raise it away, then there you can force it in. Well, no, I'm going to have to draw it out just a little bit. So, what's our problem? Which one's not quite lined up? Let's have a look. That one's right, so that one's got to go down that way a bit. Just grab a little file and just see how you go. Let that go down a bit. Now is that better? Might be in luck this time. Let's try. Don't tighten it yet. That one in there. Now, push him down. Look at that. Lovely. So how long did that take? About 5 minutes? Thank you.